Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using JavaScript programming language that will convert a decimal value that is being given by our user into a hexadecimal equivalent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, giving a comment, likes, dislikes, and most importantly by always supporting, by watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We will just have a walkthrough now on how the code works, and then don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. I repeat, for free, in my two website. So we have here doc type HTML, and then we have here the title, convert decimal to hexadecimal using JavaScript. We have the style, and then the body, form, header 1 and header 2, text align center. Header 1, we have here transform up to uppercase, convert to uppercase, margin button 5px, font size. Header 2, we have also here the properties values, margin button, color, font size, weight. And then we have the label, input and button, output and hidden. And then we have here body, form action. And then we have here the title, convert decimal to hexadecimal using JavaScript, created by yours truly, Pomperada and MIT. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number to convert. That number will be stored in this portion, txt number, name, and then we submit, and then output here to display. In this line of code, where the JavaScript works, document query selector form on submit a default, let number parse int conversion, because normally text number is a string, so we have here the output, and then the result number to convert to string 16, for hexadecimal, output plus list, remove hidden, and then inner HTML hexadecimal value here, and then we close the script, and then the body and HTML. Again, I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free. Let us go with our browser. In this case, I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so convert decimal to hexadecimal using JavaScript. Give a value, let's say 450. So when we convert, it will be 1C2. Let us verify our code using an online rapid tables. 450 convert. We have also 1C2. They are the same. Okay, confirm. Another example, let's say we have 44. Convert. The value of 44 in hexadecimal value is 2C. Here we have here 44. Convert. We have also 2C. They are all the same. And then last example, we have here 8. Click on the convert button. The equivalent value of 8 is 8 also, hexadecimal value. The same here. We put 8. The hexadecimal value of 8 is 8 also. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video on how to convert decimal to hexadecimal using JavaScript programming language. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.